Good morning. Good morning, guys. So we are today in Pasay, Macabagal. And now we're going to car dealer today. And you want to see something, Asawa? About the car dealer today? We were looking, right?
Yeah. Oh, does everybody want my phone number out there? I'm busy as hell. Can you just wait?
It's not traffic today. No traffic here. It's around 8 a.m. Now I'm looking to my brother. Let's see where he is now. And we are here now in Ayala Mall, here in Manila Bay. So let's see. Here now in the car, second-hand car sale. So there's a lot over here. Oh, second-hand.
Drive me home. See?
Videohan mo kami. Yan.
5. Shout out.
3, 4, 5. So this is all brand second-hand cars.
Ang daming
Pwede mo yan o mga ano.
ang daming mga sakyan mga idol. 5. Ayun. Panlima. Panglima.
It's a lot of cars.
Ayun. Honda.
Slow clearance.
Honda CBR.
That's how they put the price in the window.
900,000.
CBR.
How much is this? 1.4.
1.5.
Hello, tingin na kami ng sasakyan. Okay lang na mag-video. 1.5. Toyota Fortuner.
Mahal ya.
1.3.
1.3. Toyota.
The corner will be curious.
Nakita na yun.
Nissan 2019.
1.1.
How much? 1.1M. This one. 2023 Toyota. 1 million.
Ito na GM, brand new yun.
Ayaw ni Barry.
Wala pa nga
Yeah, this
papel
is the
yun.
Toyota Ravs. No Ravs.
Low price.
I don't know on this one. It should not be. It should be. I would guess
Ito, bagay ito sa atin, mga ganito.
750. 750. Yeah, I
Ay,
like
mga-
this.
Ito ang mga pang pwede doon.
Kailangan mga height.
Ito dapat ganito.
No price.
Yeah, I'm guessing. I don't know what year it is. It's the year that will say everything.
Ito.
If it's 218, 219, maybe 750, 750K. So this is probably a 2017, maybe.
17.
Yeah, it's two-wheel drive, automatic, 2.5. Yeah, I would like to know how much they want for this one.
Yeah.
Nissan Navara ata to. Ay,
Hilux.
Not the Halo.
Calibre.
Oo. Ito mga bagay na bagay. Yung kay Sir ganito, hindi ganyan. Kanyan. Ay, Ford Ranger. Ford Ranger, baka ano. Puti. Yung pinasang ba sa yan?
Oo.
Where's the VIN number?
It.
VIN number.
3 March and it. Registration pala nito.
VIN number up here.
Maybe on the side.
Ito, pwede mo na ito i-travel. Kasi may plaka na eh. May registro. Matanong kung nakaregister. Pero
Taas mo yan.
registrado ito eh. Ito talagang bagay na bagay doon sa atin. Pero mga sugad sini bagang hirap na dito sa atin.
Kahit hindi na basa kahapon, no?
Wala pa. Ngayon lang ka.
Ay, pa share ba?
Hindi pa.
Sila, magkano ko.
Magkano yan? Walang price.
760.
760.
What year?
19.
Automatic?
Matic.
Matik.
19? No, the sticker says 217 though.
No, that's 19 model.
Can we open up the door?
Okay. Wait. Ay, susi na nabala.
That would use your nose and sniff inside for
Maybe
damage.
Ryan, I cannot see.
Smell for like water, mold, something that doesn't smell good.
Carwash lang yun. Maganda na.
Hindi kasi, depende kasi sa maraming siya.
Ito talaga. Magkano ang presyo? 200? Parang pala ito. Ba't kung sa kanila kayo 1.6 muna?
Depende kasi.
Ay, barang yung...
Depende sa
Basta.
kada tao. I already open na tao.
Oh,
Want to start, sir? This one, oh. Lucky. ID na. In papers, additional paper. Additional paper. Kung hindi, they don't say. How can we? Oo nga, pinapasok natin.
I want to know.
Dapat walang ganitong marumi. Sa ano natin. Tayo istat natin.
Kailangan daw yung
Isa lang nakuha na. Pero pwede natin.
only one thing sa house. Ha?
What's that?
Yung ano?
Oh. So, pwede na gali. Ikarga lang din motor ko pag nag-uli. Ano? Ilagay ko na lang dito. Sabay na lang ko sa inyo. Dito na lang ikarga ang motor ko. Pero,
Ilinisin naman yan, mama.
Oo.
Kung sakaling magustuhan nyo.
Seat seems to be in good shape. Very clean. Doesn't look like it was really used a lot in the back, the seal, the roof.
Feeling all details. All details yan.
Caliber. Di na. Oh. Nabara.
Yeah,
Pero okay na yun.
back, no big deal. How much was it?
7 plus.
Okay na yun ba? Hindi na din yun.
This one here. Should ask what this is. It's a little smaller, but it might be. I mean, the advantage here, this one has the ground clearance. But that might be a possibility. And then we have some over here.
Ay, ito. Alin, may isa pa. Ito. Hilux. Ganito. Ganito kay Sir. Ganito. Mas Hilux.
So this one's been down three.
Ha?
Yeah, this one's missing part of its bumper, but
Ito ta pang off-road.
overall it's not so bad. Very clean, but I would be shocked if it was cheap. I think it's going to be expensive.
Hilux.
Here's how this is a Mitsubishi.
Ay, baraklas. Baraklas na nga nagali yun. Mas okay pa yun. Yung itin. Pero mura na. Mura na pangalan ko.
1.1
That'd be
yan.
too expensive. Oh, wait.
Montero.
Minsan ganito yung binta sila. Ganito
So
karamihan.
this is the Rush.
Yeah. Let's see how much that is. Rush.
Rush. Hirap nga dito sa atin. Ang bagay talaga dito sa atin, original mga nabara.
We can get this.
L3.
Yung Toyota Rush. Yung Toyota Rush.
Ay, yung rush. Kaya 800. 21 to eh. 815.
Ayan yung
Ay, manual.
Oh,
Manual. Gusto niyo ba manual?
No manual.
No, no
Only
manual.
automatic. I'm too old. If I break my hand, I'm in trouble.
Meron akong 21. May ganitong color. Meron akong 21. May white ako. May red. Yung red may ano kami.
Yung blue na yan. Yung Toyota
Ito Conquest. Medyo mahal na yan, ma'am.
1 point something.
1.5. Meron kaming ano, also Navara ano lang BL 1,030,000 model 22. If you want, sir.
Too much.
So that's ano, your budget.
Oo. Para lang dadalhin mo namin sa ano, pag-rock road.
Ito, sakto na to. Kaya mo kababa na lang.
It's okay for you na Navara 2019.
Yeah, I want
Okay.
Where? Oh.
Yeah, that one.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know yet.
This one, Fortuner, if you want.
Which one?
3030.
Too old.
Oh, 2030. This one, Ertiga. Yeah.
Video.
2023, so it is newer. Problem is,
Ito yung gray.
has ABS, not so high up.
Rough road. Langkat yan.
Yeah, so down Pablo we will. Yeah.
Bagay doon mga 4x4. Ayan, mga ganyan. Pwede yan. Nissan. 1.1.
1.1.
Oh, mas mahal pa. Yun lang ang nakamura-mura doon. 700 lang yan. Okay na yun. Tira lang yung pabating mo lang yun. Liinis lang yun. Brand new ito yun.
What about the Nissan?
Huh?
What year?
Oh, I don't know yet. I can't tell.
Yeah, leather seat. It's like brand new. Of course, it will be like
Yeah, but Nissan is cheap.
So the tire is nice. And there, it's like brand new too. Yeah, the price will be.
Pag natanong ka rin, pwede pa yung mga include ang kardahan dito. Pakarga pa. Laki ng bahala ng kardahan sa akin.
Oh, ready na yung ano niya. Oh.
Pero kung mga sugad sinaawara. Pag abot ito ng bukilan, matangkal.
See the price here. As you can see, Ford 998,000, 960. Expander, Mitsubishi.
2021? It might be a little expensive.
Hindi po kahit porta wala.
Okay. Ano napapala ng lola mo to? Komportable siya, binibigyan ba siya ng pera?
0.3 Ford. Good.
Here's the Ranger. But
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger 2020, 928,000.
Bago. Kung ito na, kung kaya nyo, ito na lang sa doses. Mas maganda pa.
Ah? Yung mura lang. Huwag yung mahal. Yung mura lang. Pangsag ka sa bukid. Pangsag ka.
yeah, but the Ford Ranger expensive to fix the parts. Diba? Yeah. But I like.
Yeah?
What's this? It's 1 point.
1.5. Titingin ako. Kami. May mga presyo naman lahat, no? 1.4.
But we're doing cash.
May mga bawas pa yun.
Ano yung mga mali niya?
1.7 Toyota Cruiser, Nissan.
Sige, yung mga bawas pa pala.
Meron pa pag-cash. Spot pag-cash.
Anong gusto nyo? Kasi uhulugan.
Cash, ayan.
Ay, hindi yan.
Huwag kami nulugan. Cash lang talaga kami.
Tapos practicean ko dito ang ganyan.
See, Ryan? That's 2020 or 2019 Ford Ranger, 750. And that one's 2020.
Mazda
No pricing over here.
yung 1.3. Oh, there is. There is a price. Here is Nissan
Here's one.
Toyota Vios. 588,000. Huh? Yeah. 428. Oh, they already come. Ford.
Para sa alis ko sa pinalipan lang. Pinataan.
650K. Pajero 2015 1.3. See if you guys want to look the second hand here in Manila. You can look here in a city garage mall by here in Macapagal, Pasay. Subaru. Yeah, 2016.
I know.
Subaru Forester. Maybe that will be 580 or 600.
I think it's 628.
Yeah, negotiable.
It depends how many miles it has. Oh, it's all-wheel drive too, so all four wheels roll.
Yeah,
It's like a 4x4 all the time.
automatic.
Remember, Subaru was a good car.
Yeah.
The question is, how expensive is it to fix?
They have a good condition, the tire.
And see the lights here, they move along, they
Yeah.
follow the road.
Subaru. What about this Hyundai Yasawa?
Huh?
498.
No.
Yeah.
If we are in Manila, okay, but
Nissan. That's the name of the car. Car City Garage and Sale. Under the bridge. Gate 1.